welcome back to another episode of Minutes with Mandy. I'm Mandy. Today we're going to do a FAQ answering your questions video. When we're done with this, you guys can always comment below and let us know what questions you have and we can answer them for you on our next video. Let's get into it. We've got some questions lined up that we want to answer for you guys. First one being, what is the difference between LED and incandescent rope lights? Now, the main difference is the light bulb itself. LED stands for light-emitting diode. They use much less energy than an incandescent rope light, and they last longer. LEDs may cost a little bit more initially, but you save money every month on your electricity bill because they consume so much less energy. They're brighter than incandescent rope lights because the delivered lumens is a lot higher than an incandescent. And when you're looking at like the specs of an LED versus incandescent appears to have higher lumens, but there's a difference between lumen count in general and delivered lumens. So LEDs have a higher delivered lumen amount than an incandescent rope light. Another difference is that LED rope lights can cause less harm than an incandescent. When you dispose of incandescent, they have a lot more harsh and toxic materials that can be potentially harmful in our landfills and to our environment. So it's a really great option if you're trying to reduce that carbon footprint, use less energy, and protect your environment for when you inevitably do have to dispose of your lights. If you have any other questions or you want to read more in depth about the differences, we have all that information on our website. You can go see our LED rope lights paging. We will link it below. And if you have any other questions or anything like that, you can always comment below and we'll do our best to answer them as well. Thanks for spending some minutes with me. Oh, that's my exit.